Hey guys, we're out here for our first on the house roof replacement. We're just giving away a roof here. Hey guys, we are out here for day 2 of our on the house replacement, and we're trying to get it finished up today. We're doing the front half. We did the back half 2 days ago. The sun is setting on the first on the house roof replacement. They're just putting a few last nails in to finish the project, get some metal finishing around the chimney, and then we're gonna wrap it up, and it's gonna be a success on the first roof.